So if you haven't figured it out, here's the video kind of showing you how to find the velocity. Again, so this is similar to what we did with the Pivot Interactive. This is what we did with the Pivot Interactive. Is we're going to choose this middle part, and then we'll use the two data points above and below it in order to find out what the average velocity is there, and then we'll keep doing that for each of those parts. So okay. So starting here, I'm going to find the average velocity using, so it's basically going to be F4, so equals F4 minus F2. That's those two just on either side of the third row column, that second data point right there, divided by, and then now I'm going to do the time. So it's going to be E4, so E4 minus E2, and do that, and that'll give me the average velocity for that moment right there. And now I'll just drag it all the way down for all of them. Remember, you want to skip this one. You don't want that last one right there. And now we're going to plot this data. So let's do that. And you should get a somewhat straight line like this. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do that. Think about what the slope should be and see how close you get. I got my slope was kind of off. I think I got something around like 12 meters per second squared. And there's a reason for that. Be thinking about what kind of error, why that error might have showed up, and things like that. But yeah, so that's how you do this. Again, with this lab, you're doing a vertical position versus time graph, a vertical velocity versus time graph, and a horizontal position versus time graph. So 3 graphs you should make out of that. Okay, hope that helped, and see ya. Bye.